Welcome to What's the Difference, where I explore the difference between something that we do or make that's average and something that's truly great, truly special. And today I'm going to talk about coffee, because Americans have developed a taste for premium coffee, gourmet coffee. Well, what gives it that special taste? Why would you pay $4 a pound for something that's average and pay $4 a cup for something that's really special? That's what I'm going to talk about today. You can go on the internet and you'll see that you can easily buy a $5,000 or $10,000 espresso machine, or you can get better quality beans, which are $40, $50, $60 a pound, and if they pluck them out of a pile of elephant dung, even better. And also you're going to read about how it's the water that makes all the difference, and that you should use artesian spring water from the Swiss Alps, bottled by virgins. Okay, all of these things will help make better coffee. But the one thing that will have the most dramatic effect on the taste of your coffee is how quick between grinding and brewing the coffee is. The shorter the time between when you grind it and when you brew it will make all the difference in the world. Coffee that was ground less than 5 minutes ago will taste 1,000,000 times better than coffee that was ground 5 days ago. Coffee is a very fragile, very delicate food, and its essence, essential oils, aromas evaporate very quickly once it's ground. That's why it's important to use it as quickly as possible after grinding. And there are plenty of websites out there that will let you buy a $150 or $200 electric coffee grinder. And don't get me wrong, those work just fine. But it's kind of a steep price to find out if you really want to make great tasting coffee at home. That's why I recommend you buy one of these. Okay, it's a hand or manual coffee grinder. You can get it on eBay for 10, 15 bucks, maybe less. It's really easy to use. You just set the grind right here, clockwise for fine, counterclockwise for coarse. The finer like espresso, the coarser like French press. And then you do 1 or 2 minutes of steady grinding. 1 minute will equal about 1 tablespoon of coffee, enough for a good size espresso. 2 minutes of grinding will make enough for 8 to 10 ounces of French press coffee. When it's done, just pull off the bottom here, dump it into your coffee maker, and you're ready to go for the best, most delicious tasting cup of coffee you've ever made at home. Okay. Another thing that'll help you in your quest for great coffee is to get one of these, which is a mocha pot. It's like a stove pot espresso maker. It makes great tasting coffee. No crema though, and you can get these for about $30 on eBay. These work great with darker roasts. If you like a lighter roast coffee, like from Central America or Africa, go the French press route. Again, these are about $20, $25 on eBay. There are plenty of YouTube videos about how to make coffee using this and the mocha pot, so pay attention to them. The best part is I can use supermarket brand beans and get great tasting coffee. Where I go, it's $7 a pound, sometimes $6 a pound, but I can make great tasting espresso, great tasting coffee at home for a fraction of the price. This video is not meant to be anti-Starbucks, anti-Peet's, anti-Tim Hortons. I love going to all those places and having great tasting coffee. But sometimes you just get tired of having to jump into your car, drive, wait 10 minutes in line so you can pay somebody $4 to make a cup of coffee for you. Wouldn't it be great if you could do all that right in the comfort of your own home for about 50 cents or less? All right? So that's the difference between what's average and what's great when it comes to great tasting coffee.